How do FIP and apply to ground ball pitchers in baseball? Have you ever wondered how advanced metrics like fielder-independent pitching and expected fielder-independent pitching relate to ground ball pitchers? Let's break it down. Fielder-independent pitching, often shortened to FIP, and expected fielder-independent pitching, or are metrics that help us evaluate a pitcher's performance. They focus on outcomes that pitchers can control, such as strikeouts, walks, hit batters, and home runs allowed. These metrics ignore the impact of fielders, which helps isolate a pitcher's true skill. FIP uses the actual number of home runs a pitcher allows. In contrast, xFIP adjusts this number. It replaces the pitcher's home run total with an expected count based on the number of fly balls allowed and the league's average home run to fly ball rate. This adjustment is important because it recognizes that pitchers have more control over how many fly balls they allow than over how many of those fly balls become home runs. Now let's look at ground ball pitchers. These pitchers tend to induce more ground balls than fly balls. Because of this, they usually allow fewer home runs. However, when they do give up fly balls, those fly balls can have a higher chance of becoming home runs. This is because ground ball pitchers allow fewer fly balls overall, making each one more significant. FIP can sometimes penalize ground ball pitchers if their home run to fly ball ratio is unusually high in a season, even if they have allowed few home runs overall. This can lead to an inaccurate assessment of their performance. On the other hand, xFIP normalizes this by using a league average home run to fly ball rate. This provides a more stable measure of performance for ground ball pitchers. Since they allow fewer fly balls, the expected home runs calculated through can differ significantly from their actual home run totals, especially if their home run to fly ball rate fluctuates. In many cases, xFIP correlates better with a pitcher's future earned run average than FIP does. This is particularly relevant for ground ball pitchers, who may experience more variation in their home run to fly ball rates from year to year. When evaluating ground ball pitchers, both past and present, xFIP can give a clearer picture of their underlying skill. It helps reduce the noise created by changing home run rates on limited fly balls. While FIP is still useful, it may not always accurately reflect a ground ball pitcher's performance due to their unique tendencies. Analysts and teams often use both metrics together. This combination allows for a better assessment of pitcher effectiveness and helps predict future performance. By understanding how FIP and xFIP apply to ground ball pitchers, we can appreciate the nuances of their contributions to the game.